What's up, guys? In this video I am going to show you how to set up integration between the Advanced Form Integration plugin and Pipedrive so that it will automatically create people, deals, activities, etc. Let's get started. I've created a sample form in Contact Form 7 that I'll use in this integration. Here is how it looks in the front end. So before start creating integrations, we will save the API token in the plugin settings. Go to Settings and then click the tab called Pipedrive. You can see a little hint. This is our Pipedrive dashboard. Click over the profile, go to Personal Preferences, and then click on the tab API. Here you'll find the API token. If not, click on Generate New Token, and it will create a new one. Copy the token and paste in the settings. Now click on Save. Don't try this same key yourself as I'll reset this after creating the video. Let's create a new integration. Click on Add New in the Integrations page. The new integration page will appear. Put a suitable title or left as it is. As I will integrate Pipedrive with Contact Form 7, so I'll select it in the Form Provider drop-down. After the form provider is selected, a list of all forms created in Contact Form 7 will be populated here. I'll select the one I want to integrate. In the action, select Pipedrive. Select the task. Now you will find all the Pipedrive fields here. These are dynamically fetched from the attached Pipedrive account. If you don't get all these fields, then check the API token. You will find all form fields listed in drop-downs on the right side. These form field titles are automatically fetched from the selected Contact Form 7 form. We need to map what form field data will go to which Pipedrive field. You will find some fields with double underscores at the beginning. These are your WordPress system fields. Don't use these fields unless you need. You can get more info on Plugin's website. Let's start with the person fields. These are default person fields in Pipedrive that we can add. The person name is a required field. So we need to map this field at least if we want to create a person. We have first name and last name fields in the form. So we will combine both to the Pipedrive's name field. If you have only a single name field in your form, just map that one. We can add a label to the newly created person. We need to use the numeric ID written on the right of each label. We will map the phone number field now. Email. We can also set the visibility of the person. As I said before, these are the default fields that we can map. We can also add custom fields. Let's create a custom field for the person. Go to Settings and Data Fields. For example, we can add person's age. Let's see what fields we have in our form. We have a course field. Now we will create a similar custom field for the course. Always try to set plain data field types while creating custom fields, like text, large text, email, number, phone, etc. Avoid fields like multiple options as those can create complexity with the integration. We are taking a text field and creating the field. Let's refresh the integration page now, and select Trigger and Action like before. As I didn't save the integration, the previous mapping are gone. But you can see the course field appeared that we just created. I'll quickly map the fields again. Now we'll map the course field. In the same way, we can also map other entities. Let's take a look at the organization. We'll map the company form field here. In address, we will combine all address fields. It is possible to add additional comma or spaces to make it in correct format. In deals, deal title is a required field. We can format a suitable deal name by combining some fixed text and form fields. Here, after the form is submitted, the company placeholder will be replaced with the actual value. In value, put the monetary value without a currency sign. We can add 3-letter currency code. Probability percentage. The plugin will fetch titles of all pipeline stages in your Pipedrive account, along with their IDs, and show up. Use the ID of the stage where the deal will be placed. Just put the number, don't use curly braces. You will be able to set a deal status. Also a deal lost reason if the status is set lost. Let's put an expected close date. You can also use deal custom fields in the same way we created for person. If there were any custom fields created for deal, that would come here. To create an activity, we need to set the subject at first. We will write the activity type. You can set a fixed due date. If you don't want a fixed due date, actually most people don't want, you can set the due date after specific number of days. So if we put 3 here, it means the activity due date will be after 3 days of its creation. You can set a due time on the due date. It is possible to set the duration of the activity. You can add note. We are mapping the form's additional comment field here, so if user added any extra message, it will be added as a note. We will need to set the owner too from the drop-down, who will own all these entities. We are done with a basic mapping. The entities are independently created. For example, if you only want to create a person, but no deal or others, then just fill the person area only. Now we will save the integration. Let's do a test by submitting the form. The form was submitted successfully. Now we will check Pipedrive. You can see the person is created. Organization too. With the address. The person is attached with the organization. Let's go to the person's page. Person details came here, including the course custom field. Opening the deal page. You can see the value is added. And the note too. Let's check out the activities. The activity was created too. In the basic free version of the Advanced Form Integration plugin, you can integrate Pipedrive with Contact Form 7 and WooCommerce New Order. In the paid Pro version, all other supported forms will be unlocked. In Pipedrive, additionally, creating new lead feature will be unlocked. We have tried to show you briefly how the Pipedrive integration works. For more information, please visit www.advancedformintegration.com. Or feel free to send an email to support@advancedformintegration.com.